Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to solve Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power x equals 24. You have to find the value of x. So for this purpose we will apply the log rule on this. According to that, first of all we will write this as log 4 raised to power x equals log 24. Then x is in the start, x log 4 equals log 24. Then x equals log 24 by 4. Now we will write log 24 as log 6 multiply 4 divided by log 4, and then log 6 multiply 4 can be write as log 6 by log 4 plus log 4 by, we will write this as plus log 4 by 4. So we get x equals log 6 by 4 can be write as log 3 multiply 2, and log 4 can be write as log 2 square, plus log 4 into log 4 divided by, both are cancelled out and we have 1. So in the next we will write this as x equals log 3 multiply 2 divided by log 2 square plus 1. So now split this and we get log 3 plus log 2, and this will be 2 log 2, and this will be 2 log 2 plus 1. So this and cancel out and we have log 3 by 2 log 2, then plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So we get x equals 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 3 by 2, log 3 by log 2. Now we will apply the change base. According to that we have 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log, base will be 2 and 3. This will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.